One evening, Alex was struggling to fix a broken shelf in his apartment. He called Emma first. "Hey Emma, could you come over and help me with something?" he asked, his voice hopeful. "I'm really busy right now, Alex. Maybe later?" she replied, her tone indifferent. Disappointed but not discouraged, Alex called Jake. "Jake, can you swing by and give me a hand with this shelf?" "Sorry, man, I'm caught up with something else. Maybe next time," Jake said, barely masking his disinterest. Sighing, Alex set to work alone, managing to fix the shelf after a few hours of effort. The next day, as Alex was winding down after a long day at work, his phone rang. It was Emma. "Alex, I need help with moving some furniture. Are you free?" "Of course, I'll be there in a bit," Alex answered without hesitation. After spending the evening helping Emma rearrange her apartment, Alex suggested, "Let's grab some dinner. I'm starving." "I can't. I'm too tired," Emma replied, already losing interest. Feeling a pang of rejection, Alex called Jake next. "Jake, how about grabbing some food? I could use a break." "I'm in the middle of a game, Alex. Can't you see I'm busy?" Jake snapped before hanging up. With a heavy heart, Alex decided to dine alone. He chose a cozy, dimly lit restaurant known for its comfort food. As Alex sat at a corner table, contemplating the imbalance in his relationships, a woman approached and asked, "Mind if I join you?" Startled, Alex looked up to see a warm, kind face. "Sure, why not?" he replied, managing a small smile. "I'm Mia," she introduced herself. "I noticed you seem a bit down." "Yeah, it's just, I feel like I'm always there for people, but when I need them, they're never around," Alex confessed. Mia nodded in understanding. "I know the feeling all too well. I've learned something important over the years." Intrigued, Alex asked, "What did you learn?" Mia leaned in slightly and said, "It doesn't matter how much you love them or how much time you give. If they can't make time for you, maybe they don't value you as much as you think. Life is too short to invest in one-sided relationships." Alex pondered her words, feeling a sense of clarity wash over him. As they finished their meal, he realized that he deserved to be surrounded by people who appreciated him as much as he appreciated them. From that day on, Alex started setting boundaries and prioritizing his own well-being. He still loved Emma and Jake, but he also began seeking out new friendships and relationships where the effort was mutual. In the neon-lit city, Alex found a new sense of balance, his heart echoing with the wisdom Mia had shared.